Children are the future of the church. They are the ones who will become church leaders and determine the growth of the church in the years to come. This is what drives us, up to this day, to focus more on ministry for children, to provide them with a true and strong foundation. They need to be instilled with Christian teachings and values, as well as have their character nurtured from an early age, so that they can grow in faith and become exemplary individuals, who shine as the light and salt of the world wherever they are. Indonesia is an archipelagic country and the most populous Muslim-majority nation in the world, which presents a unique challenge for us in providing services to children, as well as Sunday school and kindergarten teachers. The pandemic a few years ago forced us to halt face-to-face activities at that time, requiring us to innovate in our service delivery during that period to provide online services. On the other hand, the pandemic also became a blessing for us as it expanded our service network, beyond what was previously possible. From mountains and valleys, from villages to cities, from island to island, we strive to reach them, and together with Sunday school teachers in various churches and kindergarten teachers in several locations from many places in Indonesia, we align our vision to provide a true foundation for children. Our programs and activities are designed for us to teach and share with them so that they can continue to teach and share with children in churches and students in schools. This teaching is also directed towards the parents of these children. In addition to face-to-face and online programs with specific churches or schools, the online Sunday school we have conducted since the pandemic period continues to operate. Currently, more than 190 children from many parts of Indonesia gather in our online Sunday school activity. Over time, an increasing number of Sunday school children have joined in participating each month. During face-to-face activities for children and teachers, we also provided services to the local radio listener community as well as to congregants through economic empowerment programs aimed at increasing their income. Thus, we can reach not only children but also adults. May in the coming years, an increasing number of God's people be served through the programs and activities we carry out. Thank you for the support and prayers given. All honor and glory belong to God alone.